with all the information that I get to share that with other people, just like you watching this and other scientists, and we get to work together to try and make this a better world and a better place for wildlife and humans so we can all enjoy each other and live together. My name is Juita Martinez, and I am currently a PhD student at the University of Louisiana at Lafayette. My job is kind of cool. I get to basically work with really big birds, and these really big birds kind of look like this. So they have a really big beak, and they have wings and webbed feet, and they are called pelicans. And I basically get to study pelicans in the wild. I want to understand how many babies they have and if these babies end up being adults. I also want to know how humans are changing the world in which we live and how these changes are going to change how pelicans live. So here in Louisiana, we're losing a lot of land. And these pelicans, which are known as brown pelicans, use these lands to help raise their children. So something that I get to do is I kind of get to spy on pelicans. And when I say spy, I mean I use something that looks like this, which is a camera trap. And we call this a camera trap because it has all of these awesome buttons that I get to press, and it doesn't actually trap pelicans. It just takes a photo of them. And then I could use that photo to study them, which means I don't have to bother them. And that's a really, really good thing. I loved my backyard. It was really, really small and basically made up of just a sidewalk. But we had like these little patches of grasses and like one avocado tree, one. And I somehow found that there's a lot of wildlife like around us, all around us. Everything from snails to insects like ants, and even birds. They are everywhere. So just when I realized that wildlife was all around me, even though I grew up in the city in basically a concrete jungle, there were just buildings on either side of me. And what really excited me was animals can do so many cool things that us humans can't do. So for example, did you know that fire ants can make a bridge out of their bodies? Like they just connect to each other like Legos and they make a bridge. Humans can't do that. That is so cool. So as an adult, I still really, really love wildlife because now it's my job. I get to go outside and watch these animals and study them. And then with all the information that I get to share that with other people, just like you watching this and other scientists. And we get to work together to try and make this a better world and a better place for wildlife and humans so we can all enjoy each other and live together. If someone would have told me that I was going to work with these pelicans as a kid, I would not have even imagined that. But it's possible, I promise. Anything that you want to do, you can do it.